Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. Today, we're talking about the benefits of yoga for flexibility, strength, and stress relief. Yoga is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, and it's still just as popular today as it was then. In this video, we'll be discussing how yoga can help improve flexibility, build strength, and reduce stress. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's get started with today's video. First, let's talk about flexibility. One of the primary benefits of yoga is that it can help improve flexibility in the body. This is because yoga involves stretching and holding poses that require a range of motion. As you practice yoga, you'll gradually be able to move deeper into these poses, resulting in increased flexibility. But it's important to note that flexibility isn't just about being able to touch your toes or do a split. Flexibility is actually an important component of overall physical health and well-being. It can help improve balance and coordination, reduce the risk of injury, and even improve digestion. Next, let's talk about strength. While yoga may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of strength training, it can actually be a great way to build strength. This is because many yoga poses require you to use your own body weight as resistance, which can help strengthen your muscles. For example, poses like plank and downward facing dog require you to engage your core and upper body muscles, while poses like warrior two and triangle require you to engage your lower body muscles. As you progress in your yoga practice and start incorporating more challenging poses, you'll continue to build strength. Finally, let's talk about stress relief. Yoga is well known for its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. This is because yoga involves both physical and mental components. The physical practice of yoga can help reduce muscle tension and lower the heart rate, while the focus on breathing and mindfulness can help calm the mind. One study even found that regular yoga practice was associated with a significant reduction in the levels of the stress hormone cortisol. In addition, practicing yoga can also help improve sleep quality, which is another important factor in reducing stress. Now that we've covered some of the main benefits of yoga, let's take a look at a few specific examples and use cases. If you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting at a desk or in front of a computer, yoga can be a great way to counter the effects of all that sitting. Stretching and holding poses can help improve circulation and alleviate muscle tension. And incorporating strength-building poses can help keep your muscles from atrophying. If you're an athlete, yoga can be a great addition to your training routine. It can help improve flexibility, which can in turn improve your performance in your sport. It can also help improve balance and coordination, and the focus on mindfulness can help with mental focus and concentration. If you're dealing with stress or anxiety, practicing yoga can be a great way to find some much-needed relaxation. The combination of physical activity and mindfulness can help clear your mind and bring a sense of calm. In conclusion, yoga is a practice that offers a wide range of benefits, including improved flexibility, increased strength, and reduced stress. Whether you're looking to improve your physical health, boost your athletic performance, or simply find some relaxation, yoga can be a great addition to your routine. If you're interested in trying yoga, there are many resources available to help you get started. Many gyms and studios offer yoga classes, or you can find online classes or tutorials if you prefer to practice at home. It's important to find a class or instructor that is right for you, as different styles of yoga may be better suited to different needs and preferences. It's also important to remember that yoga is a practice, not a destination. Don't get discouraged if you can't do certain poses or if you're not as flexible as you'd like to be. Just keep showing up and you'll see progress over time. So why not give yoga a try and see how it can benefit you? You might be surprised at how much it can improve your flexibility, strength, and stress levels. We hope you found this video helpful. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.